she's going to go to her boyfriend
elsewhere,
and me and the kids are going to our house. Lindsay, I did not push you or anything.
He doesn't want me to go.
You so can ask all of the people that I know if I'm an aggressive or abusive person.
Do you want me to show them the photos?
Don't recommend going on vacation together, but that's just my personal.
I agree with that.
It's just an hour.
Welcome to the Lion Legal channel. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
No good?
Well, until he comes out here and decides to show out. So I don't know what's going to happen with that.
You familiar with her?
Nope.
Familiar with her. Somebody was almost out sleeping in the house like a week.
This house?
Yeah.
Before they realized it?
Yeah.
What in the hell? Why are you filed for divorce and going to go on vacation together? I mean, that's not something that we can work out for you. I mean, because we're going to tell you to separate.
In this video, you will see the boys in blue and the women in blue in this particular case called to the house of Lindsay Shiver and her husband, who appear to be having a dispute even though they are scheduled to be going on vacation with each other and apparently are getting divorced at the same time, which is a little bit of an odd situation, but in this day and age, it does happen. Keep on watching the video until the end.
Y'all can do if there's even, but of course now he's inside acting.
I mean, I don't know what it is that you want us to do. I mean, if y'all have filed for divorce and y'all are going on a vacation, other than telling him he needs to calm down, I don't personally recommend you go on a vacation if there's an issue like that and y'all have filed for divorce.
Right.
I mean, it's obviously a hostile situation.
Right.
So, is there a way that you can go without him, or? I mean, the best thing, what we're going to do is tell y'all that y'all need to separate.
Right.
I mean, has he put his hands on you that, you know, have y'all been physically aggressive today? I mean.
No, just besides him moving me out of the way of my car to get to it.
Okay, what do you mean he moved you out of the way?
Like pushed me out of the way so he could get to my car and start unloading it.
Okay, we're going to need to talk to him then.
So for the last 3 weeks, maybe longer, she's had her couples trip planned with her boyfriend to go to Key West.
Okay, but she just said you're going.
That was to Key West.
But they don't.
I'm taking my kids, my 3 boys, to the Bahamas this morning.
Our kids.
Our kids. Yesterday, she sent a message saying that she's going to change her plans and now get on the airplane with me and the kids to go to the Bahamas.
But I own too,
and
by the
when we
way.
land, she's going to go to her boyfriend.
Elsewhere.
And me and the kids are going to our house. And I've told her I'm not supporting that. And you're not getting on the airplane. That can mess with the kids' heads. And it's just something we're not going to do. Well, I own 50% of an airplane. She, on paper, owns 25 of that. And majority owner, the other 50% owner, and myself are both in agreement to not have her on the airplane. So 75% says we don't want you on the plane.
Aggressive, push me out of the way, start unloading my car.
Push you out of the way.
Yes, at the back of the car.
Okay, Lindsay, I did not push you or anything.
He doesn't want me to go.
I raised the back to grab my kids' suitcases. So
With
we
a
could
locked
leave.
car.
So we could leave. That's all it is.
And then Robert.
Okay. I'm going to tell you both, like I told you a minute ago, y'all are filed for divorce, okay? In situations like this, the best thing that we always recommend is y'all separate. Don't just separate from each other. You don't need to be going on vacation together if you file for divorce and it's obviously a volatile situation.
That's
Right.
That, I mean, I don't know how else to put it other than that. As far as the pushing and shoving, say Georgia advises that you put your hands on each other, that is an act of simple assault and you can be arrested on that for family violence. Okay.
Now you can see in the video, the police officer seems to be the only one with any sense in this instance. And she advises the couple, if you're going to break up, if you're going to get a divorce, why on earth would you travel together? And this has led to the situation which Lindsay Shiver finds herself in, which is that she went on vacation and she's alleged to have, along with her boyfriend, that she's, I guess, having an affair with, but in this instance, because she's separated, is it really an affair? Either way, she's alleged to have conspired to delete her spouse in the Bahamas. But the question of today is, what is the relevance of the video? What it does is that it shows a prior relationship between the husband and wife and the fact that they do not like each other at all. Who is that more likely to support in a criminal case, the husband or the wife? Given the fact that the wife is the one on trial and the one on bail, it's more likely to support the husband to show motive for her doing what she allegedly did. However, if the case was in the United States, which is not, but just as an illustrative example, if it was in the United States, evidence cannot simply be admitted in court without going through a process. First of all, a judge would have to decide that it is relevant to the issues at hand and that it does not hit any exclusionary rule, such as being unfairly prejudicial. So evidence can be relevant to an issue, which means that it makes it more or less likely that a suspect did something. But if it is what's called unfairly prejudicial, meaning that a jury or judge could not adequately weigh up the evidence because they'd be so worked up by it that they couldn't give it a fair assessment, then it's perfectly within the discretion of the court if they'd like to exclude that evidence. So that's a brief overview of the assessments which take place as to whether you can put something in evidence in a particular trial or not. So for more of the videos, make sure to check out the channel, like, comment, and subscribe.